Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about morning glory. Morning glory is an invasive weed vine that has expansive root system that can completely inundate your lawn, garden areas, and take over your plants. And it's a bugger. And so what we're going to do is we're going to talk about a recipe that I've used that's been effective in killing it. The key here is I like to use a concentrate, not just a weed spray that you can buy already mixed, but a concentrate. I have a weed and grass killer here that will be a great addition, so I've added that to this mix. I've also added a plant food, which is a granular, water-soluble mix here, and I've already added that and mixed this in, so I've already got my mix. Okay, that's the key. This is probably one of the biggest secrets to this mix because the morning glory sucks it in, thinks it's plant food, sends it to all of its root base throughout wherever it's expanded to, and then guess what? Lights out for morning glory. Boom, bam, boom. The poison gets down in there, spreads out to all of the areas where that plant food reached, which is wonderful. It's a wonderful secret. The other thing I like to do, which I don't have with me today, is I like to get the Roundup concentrate separate from this. So I'm adding two different kind of weed killers. Some Roundup concentrate. I add about 3 ounces to a gallon. In addition to this, now you can use Spectracide or Ortho, they have different kinds, it doesn't matter, they all pretty much have the same ingredients. But I like the Roundup because the Roundup has additional ingredients that might help us in addition to that. If you're on a budget, because this costs $20, this bottle, it'll last forever, but it does cost $20. The Roundup one's a little more expensive because it's the concentrate, it's not the pre-mixed. So concentrate, you can make a lot more with it. So be mindful of, if you're on a budget, just use one. Usually it will work, but I like to do two if I have a lot of area to cover and I just don't want to keep spraying this over and over again. Uh-oh, I've spotted some morning glory. You might have seen this in your yard too. It's everywhere. Check this out. How did that get in there? We never planted that. Well, it blew in. Look, that already died from my last spray. But you thought you had it all killed? It's popped up elsewhere, but guess what? Lights out for morning. You want to see what the lights out looks like for Miss Morning Glory? She's not a happy camper today. Check this out. I sprayed this 2 weeks ago. Same recipe. Bam. It's not liking it. Okay, but it's still got some remnants, like that little fella, or that little fella. Okay, we're gonna hit it one more time. So like I said, root systems are not the easiest to get rid of. But look at that. A lot of it's died. Now check this out. See that? That's morning glory. How did it get in there? How did it wrap itself around that downspout and get all the way in there? Well, it has its ways, okay? But we don't need to spray that again. It's dead, but check this out. We had a little outcrop here. Bye-bye. Or how about here? Or how about here? Be very careful not to get it on that flower right there, that tulip. Heck, we even got another little weed that popped up. It's not morning glory, but it's annoying anyway. Let's get rid of that. How about some grass that popped out of nowhere? Okay, again, we're shielding this flower some by not getting its overspray. And then we're gonna just kind of tap and seal it's closed, ensure that it's closed, and then give it a little tap. And then tilt it up this way. Tilt it up this way as you walk across the grass. Okay? And then we can take it back to the storage room and go have a nice dinner, enjoy our life, and watch the weeds just die. If this video was helpful and you gained from it the tips and tricks that I offer and some of the things that I've learned over the years, be sure to like and subscribe my channel, Mark's Lawn and Garden, where you'll be notified when new videos come out. I try to post once a week, so be sure to like and tap the follow button so you get notified and stay in touch. Very important. Thank you so much for your support, and be sure to put in the comments things that you want to learn about, things that topics that you might want me to cover that would be helpful to you and your family and your making your project and landscapes better. Thank you.